Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the ZTZ 20-inch folding bike suspension fork. A top-notch choice for those seeking enhanced performance on their folding bikes, BMX, or mountain bikes. This fork boasts 80 mm of travel and a 100 mm hub spacing, equipped with a 28.6 mm threadless straight steerer tube and a 9 mm quick release, making it a versatile addition to your bike setup. Crafted from high-strength aluminum alloy, it promises exceptional durability and control, perfect for tackling tough trails while enhancing stability for a reliable outdoor cycling experience. The ergonomic design, with its precise CNC machined bending and sleek finish, not only looks great but also ensures comfort on long rides, reducing fatigue and optimizing handling. Experience a smoother ride with its advanced suspension system, designed to efficiently absorb shock, while the lockout switch allows for easy adjustments, providing better control and stability across various terrains. The independent fork bridge design further enhances stability and prevents dust from entering, ensuring a longer life and better performance. Whether you're an avid cyclist or a casual rider, this suspension fork is perfect for those seeking efficiency and durability on every adventure. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.